The guiding value of Indian Constitution. Every constitution starts with an introduction. The introduction is known as the preamble of the Constitution. It plays a vital role as it contains the philosophy underlying the Constitution. Major leaders had contributed to shaping the different ideals that we follow today. Though Mahatma Gandhi was not a member of the Constitution Assembly, yet he was a source of inspiration for many people, as he wanted the Constitution to strive for the poor, providing special care for the poor, giving effective voice to the poor, building of a society where there would be no high or low class people, removing the curse of untouchability and intoxicating drinks and drugs, providing equal status to men and women. The next we are talking about the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was the first Prime Minister of Free India, expressed his dream while addressing Constituent Assembly on 15 August 1947, redeem one's place to dedicate oneself to service of India and her people. Understand that freedom and power means responsibility to remove sorrow and suffering of people. Understand that the service of India is service of millions who suffered. It means ending their poverty, ignorance, disease, inequality of opportunity. Now we are talking about the Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. According to him, India was facing a problem of contradiction. We have political equality but social and economic inequality. In politics, we have one man, one vote and one vote, one value. But in social and economical life, such values are denied. Dr. Ambedkar clearly felt that if we fail to remove these contradictions, politically democratic will remain the meaningless. Now we are talking about a great lady, that Durgabai Deshmukh. Durgabai Deshmukh, one of the 15 women who was the member of assembly. She known as Iron Lady. Durgabai recalled having moved approximately 750 amendments on her own as well as in collaborations with other assembly members. Most of his amendment was done in favor of women and weaker section. So we cannot neglect the women member of the Constitution Assembly. Sarojini Naidu also gave so many focus on empowerment of women in our country. So these are the value of the guiding value of the assembly member, which we may get success to make a largest and effective constitution forever, which is still valuable after 70 years. No one special group of the any party give a objection about our constitution.